I installed the New-Sylvox Smart Kitchen TV under the cabinet. It is 15.6 inches and it features a 1080p IPS screen with wide viewing angle. It can be rotated and it can be folded. The remote is mounted back here. It has a bracket for remote storage. I just simply stick it behind the TV to save more space, but you can totally mount it somewhere else. It runs on Google TV OS. Just press home button. So it's compatible with most Android apps like the Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video. These shortcuts are here, or of course you can install anything you want from the Google App Store. And the remote has voice control. When I'm cooking in the kitchen, I face it this way. I long press the voice command, how to cook the perfect steak. And you can see the real-time search is super responsive on YouTube. And the video loading is incredibly snappy and fast. So when I'm cooking, I can follow the recipes and procedures and get the steak right. Or I can watch live TV when I'm having my morning coffee here. This is a perfect application for a kitchen. Our family usually have it running in the background. Our family enjoy the TV when we're having dinner, having breakfast. This is perfect. And catch up the latest news on the TV. It also has lots of inputs. It has the USB ports, the HDMI inputs, actually 2 HDMI inputs, antenna, and optical audio output, and RJ45 Ethernet cable. It's a great option. Not only we can control the basic stuff on the remote, we can also change the volume and switch channel. On the right side has these physical buttons or toggle inputs. Power on off. It just turns off the screen and comes back on. When we're done, we turn the screen off, fold it up. It's very low profile. You probably won't notice it's there when it's folded up. There is the power adapter. Yeah, this is a really cool addition to the kitchen. It makes the kitchen looks a lot nicer and more expensive than it really is. This thing is awesome, right?